All right, lesson 8 today, everybody. A lot like yesterday. So the I can is I can tell time to the nearest minute, which you did do yesterday. Now the difference today is that you're telling time after the hour and before the hour. So when you look at number 1, remember there's 2 hands. So the shorter of the hands is always pointing at the hour. So because it's between the 12 and 1 o'clock, it's still 12 o'clock. So I'm just going to write the time down here. So it's 12. And then you would count by 5s all the way around. Or you'd skip to the 6, which you know is 30, 35, 40. So it's 12:45. So now if you look at the instructions up here, it'd be 45. And you can abbreviate minutes after 12, or it's 15 minutes to 1, or you could even write quarter to 1, because 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. Number 2, it looks like it's 2:20. So it'd be 20 minutes after 2. So I'm writing the numbers in math and then just the words in English, so you can do a mix of both, which would make it 30, 40 minutes to 3, and so on. So all of these are going to be friendlier numbers because they're at one of the 5 minutes, so all of the long hands will be pointing at one of those numbers. So the telling time part should be pretty simple. It's really just the right the time. Now these are on the next page, 290 are going to the exact minute. And remember, give yourself a little bit of grace, because I'll put the test corrections on. So if you're off by a minute or 2, that's perfectly fine. These are pretty hard to tell exactly. So when I look, I know it's the 6 o'clock hour, and I know the 5 is 25, so it looks like it's either a 26 or maybe a 27. And this one too says after the hour, or before the next hour. So this you might have to do a little bit of addition, in which I would count up. So the 27 minutes after 6 is an easy one to write. So then you would need 3 more minutes to get to the 30, and then 30 more minutes to get up to the next hour. So it'd be 33 minutes to 7. And I'll just do one more. All right, so these get a little bit tricky because that shorthand looks like it's pointing at the 2. But if you look at the long hand, it is 52, which means it's almost 2 o'clock. So it's 2:52. It's not quite there yet, but it's almost there. So it's 52 minutes after, it's 1 o'clock. So it's 1:52 after 1. So it'll be 2 o'clock in 8 minutes. 8 minutes to 2. So the closer it gets to 2 on the minute hand, so as this goes over, this will point directly at the 2 once the longer one's pointing right at the 12. All right, you guys will be good today. Bye.